Hello people, and I'm Lee. My dad is a gamer. Hello people.
This is the outtake video from our first attempt at making the computer. We had a few mishaps with the recording, but I've managed to salvage some of Emily's cheekiness. Right, so that goes there.
And I've got this big one. This people powers a
Bit Emmy.
Scoopy drive.
What is it?
Scoopy drive.
A Scoopy drive.
This Scoopy drive.
Well, this is a Scoopy drive now.
Working class.
Come here.
I'll do it.
You do it. Right, let Daddy help. In the ever drop a hard drive, it probably won't work after. Which
What's
one's
this?
that, darling? That's a hard drive.
Look, hard drive. I got hard drive.
She's got a hard drive. Yeah.
Oh.
You could not. That'd be all right.
Oh, that's really.
You bent this, Emily.
That's really.
No, don't scrape the screwdriver on stuff, darling. So for your where you?
There you go.
Right, a bit more. Sorry. Right. Sorry about that. That's what you get for working with a 2-year-old.
Sorry about that.
That's okay, darling.
Sorry about that.
So if you're doing this yourself,
Sorry about
and it
this.
looks like it's going to plug the cables in before. No, don't press that yet. Right, last one. There we go. Bye bye to them properly then.
Hello.
Say bye bye, people.
Bye.
Blow them a kiss. Say bye.
Bye.